What's the meaning of baroque? Baroque. Baroque.
Baroque. Baroque. The term baroque is used to describe a style of art and architecture that emerged in Europe during the 17th and 18th centuries. It is characterized by elaborate ornamentation, exaggerated forms, and theatricality, and is often associated with the Catholic Counter-Reformation. Baroque art and architecture are marked by a sense of grandeur and opulence, with an emphasis on drama and spectacle. The movement was a response to the austerity and simplicity of the Protestant Reformation, and sought to inspire awe and wonder in its viewers through its exuberant and ornate style. The term Baroque has since been applied to other areas of artistic expression, including music and literature.